this is Soumya and you're watching The Global Tales. So, the main question that comes to everyone out there who is on their weight loss journey is what to binge on and what to eat as a snack. So, here are my healthy snacks, really tasty options that you can have in your weight loss journey without thinking about calories. So, the first and foremost dish has to be my favorite, that is roasted chickpeas. You all know that chickpeas are a great source of good carbs and protein for vegetarians, and I hope that you use it in your daily routine very often in making vegetables out of it or many other recipes. So here's what I make out of it and consume it as my snack. I just boil few of the chickpeas. After that, we add like 1 tablespoon of oil and then add some Italian seasoning like oregano, garlic, chili flakes, all the mixed herbs, mixed Italian herbs, and then we mix it all well together. After this, we are going to bake it for about 20 minutes in an oven, or you can do it in your gas as well. Just cover the lid and make sure that you bake it for at least 20 minutes. If you're using oven, then you have to make sure of the temperature being 170 to 180 degree, and if you're doing it on the gas, then you have to actually make sure that it's there for at least 30 minutes. Your roasted chickpeas are ready and they are amazing in taste. They taste like an Italian snack that is very tasty and very healthy at the very same time. So yes, definitely you can binge on this snack whenever you feel like eating anything and don't want to go for a complete meal. This is something that you can go for because it's tasty, healthy, and binge worthy for sure.
Together we were shine, but we know we're running out of time, 'cause we made.
Now, my personal favorite second snack has to be roasted makhane. If you don't know what makhane is, it's actually the lotus seed. They are very low in calorie, high in protein, and almost very fulfilling. So, basically, in 100 grams of these makhane, you consume only 106 calories. That is insane. So yes, it's a low calorie snack, and whenever you feel hungry and you don't want to go for a complete meal, this will give you a lot of energy. This will give you a lot of filling feeling because they have high satiety value, but you end up consuming very less calories. So it's a perfect weight loss journey snack. So to make it as tasty as possible, I take like 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee and then roast them for about 5 to 6 minutes. They take a little time because they have a lot of moisture, so they take a little time to get roasted. And after that, I add some salt, some red chili powder, and some amchur, that is dried mango powder. Mix them well together and your roasted makhana are ready to eat. They are so easy to prepare, they are so tasty as well, and you consume almost no calories. So definitely I would recommend to try it for yourself, and you'll feel that it's quite fulfilling and very healthy at the same time. Now, the next thing that I consume in my snacks, and you can do it for yourself as well, is a plate of mixed dry fruits. Now, we all know that dry fruits are a great source of energy, and at the very same time, these have some important vitamins, minerals that are very essential to our body. So, having cashew nuts, walnuts, almonds, and munakka can be very healthy to your body, and at the very same time, suppress your hungers and cravings. Now, the next very favorite snack is this namkeen or a savory dish, that is roasted peanuts and bhel. You all know that I'm a bhel puri fan. I love puffed rice a lot. So we just roast peanuts, the bhel, and some cornflakes all together and mix them and add a little bit of salt in it, and it's ready. It's very tasty and very fulfilling. When I feel hungry, the first option that comes to my mind is fruits. You can never go wrong with them. They have ample amount of vitamins and minerals, boost your immunity to great level, and you all know that I love fruits really very much. Fruits are a great source of sugar as well, the energy that you need to survive throughout the day. So when you think of snacking, fruits are an easy go-to options. You can go for strawberries, blueberries, some regular fruits like oranges, grapes. Every fruit is amazing. Just make sure that the fruits that are high in sugar like bananas, mangoes, you don't consume them regularly. Just have them 2 to 3 times a week so that you satisfy your cravings as well and you don't end up having a lot of sugar in your body. Now, last but not the least, has to be my favorite, that's popcorn. Actually, all of these 6 snacking options are my favorite. Consume them on a regular basis. So, yes, popcorn are a great source of good carbohydrates. People have a misconception popcorns can make you gain weight, but it's not true. They're a good source of carbohydrates. Just make sure that you don't end up having a caramel and a cheese popcorn. You make it in desi ghee, add some turmeric, add some pinch of salt, and then make it. It is a very healthy snack option. The very important thing here that has to be taken care is the quantity. So with every snack that you eat, the quantity is important. Sometimes we binge on snacks so much that we end up having a lot of it. So it's important that you listen to your brain while you eat and have it in a very small quantity. It is a healthy option. All of them are really healthy, but it doesn't mean that you consume it as much as possible. It's just a healthy snack and should be consumed like a snack, and you should not end up having so many calories by consuming it like a full meal. It will just satisfy your cravings. Consume it as your snacks and make sure that you know when to stop. You know that you don't binge and eat them endlessly.
Give my love to you, but will I say you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms.
So yes, these were 6 healthy snacking options, my personal favorite. But very important point to note here is that if you are doing intermittent fasting, all of these 6 snacks has to be consumed in your eating window itself and not in the fasting window, because they have carbs, they have sugar. So yes, that's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. If you did, don't forget to give the big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon along with the subscribe button, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye. Stay fit, stay happy, take care of yourself. Tada.